So this recipe is gonna be in 2 stages, guys. We're gonna make the chocolate cupcake part, and then we're gonna show you the witchy top hat decoration in the second half of the video. Sounds good?
Uh-huh.
Do you want to walk our bakers through the list of ingredients?
Yes. A cupcake tin with the cupcake liners, vegetable oil, the coffee. We also have some baking soda and a pinch of salt. We have some mini chocolate chips, 3 eggs, buttermilk, cocoa powder,
And underneath.
flour.
And last but not least,
We have some salt.
sugar. Sugar. That would be a very salty cupcakes if that was salt, don't you think? We will have all of the ingredients and the amounts you need linked in the description box below. So go ahead and check that out so you can bake along with us. First things first, I'm gonna grab a big bowl over here.
I put a spell on you.
Oh gosh.
And now you're mine.
Mine. All mine. Whoa, how cool. We turned into witches.
Oh no!
Oh gosh. All right. I hope that we can do a spell real quick to finish these cupcakes. Ready? We are going to start off with our vegetable oil.
And I put a spell on you.
You can use any type of flavorless oil. So it could be sunflower oil, canola oil. Just
Any
make
oil.
sure it's not olive oil because you'll have some really rich olivey cupcakes and we don't want that. Granulated sugar is going in.
Sugar.
We're gonna crack our eggs.
Crack. An egg.
Perfect.
Oh.
Perfect. We're gonna go ahead and pop the egg yolks. Next one. Next one after that. Perfect. Now spin.
I put on spell on you. And now you're mine.
So Hocus Pocus is definitely one of our faves to watch during Halloween.
Go watch it if you never watched it.
Definitely. What's some other ones of your favorite scary movies? Or
Halloween
Halloween
Town.
movies? Oh, I love Halloween Town. So right now we have our eggs, our vegetable oil, and our sugar all mixed in here. You can see it's quite gloopy.
Like
so
a
now
bouncy ball.
we're gonna add the rest of our wet ingredients. So that's gonna be our 1 cup of coffee. If you want to omit the coffee, guys, that's totally fine. Coffee enhances the flavor of chocolate. You're not going to taste the coffee by any means. But if you don't want to use coffee, that's perfectly fine. You can just go ahead and use 1 cup of water instead. Alright, so we added our black coffee in here. It's all nice and incorporated and mixed.
We borrowed some of Lexi, the black cat's milk.
Ooh, all right, pour it in. Very nice. All right, guys, so this was actually buttermilk. You can go ahead and buy it at the store, but honestly, I never go through a full carton of buttermilk. So a fun trick is you can add an acid to regular milk and it will curdle the milk, which gives the impression of buttermilk. So I added a little bit of white vinegar to 1 cup of milk and it curdled, and it's gonna give us the same effect in our recipe as it would if you bought a whole thing of buttermilk from the store. All right, so our wet ingredients are perfectly incorporated. So now we're gonna move on to our dry ingredients, but we need to sieve them first.
I grabbed some dirt from our nasty little cemetery.
Oh guys, this is turning into a spooky potion we're making here.
Nasty little nastiest worms.
That is our pinch of salt and our baking powder. We're gonna push all that through our sieve.
The raining of chocolate.
Yep, chocolate dirt.
Yeah. What's dirt?
Well, if it's delicious dirt, like our dirt and worms video, link in the description box, then we definitely want a lot of dirt, right? And now we're just gonna go ahead and continuously fold until it is incorporated.
I'm mixing all of this batter in my cauldron.
Now this batter, guys, is going to be liquidy. Don't be alarmed. That's how it's supposed to be. Normally chocolate batters are more on the liquid side because we're not using any type of butter to make it like that creaminess that you would find in a vanilla cupcake. So then our very last ingredient is going to be
our nasty boogers.
AKA chocolate chips. Will go in it.
Alright, nasty boogers.
And this part is optional, guys. The chocolate cupcakes are perfect just the way they are, but if you want to add that extra over the top richness, you know, have little morsels in every bite, then you can go ahead and add some of those chocolate chips and you'll see them throughout the batter. So as mentioned, this is quite liquidy, so what we're gonna do is go ahead and pour it into a jug, or in this case I'm just reusing the jug we had the buttermilk in, and I'm gonna fill this up to help Valentina be able to pour it into our muffin tins. All right, guys, we are back. The decks are cleared, and we have our batter and our cupcake tins with our beautiful cupcake liners. These remind me a little bit of The Nightmare Before Christmas, right? Which is, again, that is kind of a double movie because you get to watch it during Halloween, but you also get to watch it during Christmas.
Oh yeah!
Take our batter and we're gonna fill these 2/3 of the way full. Okay?
Oh yeah, let's give you a bony hug.
Oh, I love good bony hugs. Good job, Mama. Next.
These are looking bony good.
They are.
And I'm just gonna finish it off with the last bit of mud. You spilled it on my hands? You naughty Fia.
Okay guys, so we went ahead and put the cupcakes in the oven about 325 degrees for about 22 to 24 minutes. You want to check it with a toothpick at around 22 minutes. Check multiple cupcakes because oven temperatures can vary and you don't want them cooking on one side fully and then the other side is not done. So you can either twirl them around or leave them all in and then pull them out when they're done. So we have a couple of things here on the counter. We have some sugar cones and some candy melts in black. So we can put on our sugar cones. We have some frosting. What was that? Whew. Okay. We have some frosting here. Am I going crazy? Are you guys seeing this? Okay. We also have some black sugar, sanding sugar crystals. Oh my goodness. Okay. Does anyone see the ghost? His name is Boogly. We need to be on the lookout because he's kind of scary. Okay. We have also some candy coated chocolates. We're using M&M's. Okay. Boogly is definitely here. He's definitely here. Hi, Boogly. Hi. How are you today?
I'm good.
You're looking frightful.
I'm good.
Good, good. All right. Well, do you want to come join the party?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, but where is my sidekick? Hocus pocus, I need Valentina the mostest. There you are. You should have seen it. Boogly was all over the place.
Boogly?
Yes, he said he wanted to come help, but then he must have vanished. I guess he went back to the cemetery or something.
Guess what? He actually trapped me.
Oh my gosh. But he's normally a friendly ghost sometimes. Should we finish up these ingredients?
Uh-huh.
All right. So I was up to, we normally use M&Ms for our candy chocolate covered coatings.
We also have some candy corn.
And of course,
Little cupcakes.
They smell so glorious, don't they? All right.
Just like regular chocolate.
Definitely. So this is kind of going to be multi-step. So first things first, we're going to take our squeezy frosting and we're going to make a little patch so that our witch hat can sit on top and stick. While you do that, I'm going to take a disposable food glove and I'm going to help you with your witch's hat, okay? You just want to put enough of the candy melt on there to kind of coat the sugar cone, and then we're gonna be covering it in black sprinkles. While I'm finishing this, Mama, do you want to go over the results of our candy corn counting contest?
So we want to give a big shout out to Genoa Golden, because she got the closest.
Yes, absolutely. A very big baker shout out to Chenoa Golden. She counted 289, but what was in the jar?
It was 271.
Exactly, 271. So she was mighty close, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So great job, Chenoa. Sprinkle some on top. Good job, Mama. All right, so we got one glittery witch hat. We're gonna fill it up with a little bit of M&Ms.
M&Ms.
And a little bit of candy corn.
Candy corn.
And more M&Ms.
M&Ms.
And then we're gonna take it and pop it on the cupcake. And then you can make your forest. Witchy hat is done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up.
Tell us if you like candy corn. Leave it in the comments below, because I don't think Tia likes them, but I love them. And I'm done.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, it looks amazing. That is definitely a place I want to visit, Candy Corn Forest.
Mm-hmm.
Huh? All right, Mama, what do you think? Should we have a bite of our Candy Corn Forest witch hat treats? You gotta eat this thing off our table, clearly, because this is a mess. The cupcake is amazing.
But I would rather the cone, because it's frosting on the sugar.
Yeah, the frosting and the
Feels
sugar.
like I want another bite already.
Well, Valentina, what do we say to our bakers?
Well, bakers, make sure to give us a yummy thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and turn on the notifications.
Also, don't forget to check out our Instagram at Yummy Thumbs Up because we have a party over there. Also, all of the ingredients and the directions to the recipe will be listed in the description box below.
Till next time, bakers.
Ciao for now.